So what's up guys? In this video I will show you how to do more push-ups without getting tired. Alrighty, so for push-ups, they are a really good exercise to target the chest and the triceps, and the good thing about them is you can do them anywhere. You gotta just remember what muscle groups do you want to target. Do you want to target mainly the triceps? Do you want to target the chest? Okay, so if you want to target the triceps, what you want to do is you want to do a closer grip, and don't really focus on the chest. Just focus on really squeezing those triceps at the top and just really focusing on them triceps. So if you want to work the chest, I'll show you the triceps first. So triceps, just like this. Okay, that's gonna be for the triceps. It's still gonna work the chest a little bit, but if you want more chest, what you're gonna do is have your arms maybe a little bit wider than shoulder width, and then you're gonna squeeze your chest while you're doing it and really concentrate on the chest. Okay, so really you want to pretend like you're trying to bring your arms closer together and squeeze your chest. That's going to really work your chest. I'll show you. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, what muscle groups you want to target, we're going to move on to how to do more. Do right off the bat, maybe you can do 30, which is good. But if you want to be able to do more, you gotta, change it up, not just do the same. Maybe you're doing like 20 reps of 3 sets or 4 sets or more than that, whatever. You want to add some resistance or some more time under tension. So what that means is either you add more weight to what you're doing and really challenge yourself more. That's going to help you do more. If you challenge yourself to do more weight, have somebody put on like a 45 pound on your back and do 20, and then when you take that off, you're going to be able to do more, obviously, as you build it up. So that's the first tip, is add resistance. If you don't have a weight, or if you don't have somebody to put a weight on you, you can grab a band. You can get a band. The link will be in the description for Amazon. But it's basically you can hold the band, or you can like put it on a rack if you have a rack, or just hold the band like this and then put it around your back, and then just do them like this to add resistance. Okay, so another way to do more is time under tension, eccentric. Slow down the eccentric portion of the push-up. So what that looks like is just going slower on the way down. Okay, it's going to be a lot harder. You won't be able to do as much. If you do 20 of these, you're going to be a lot more tired. So slow and steady. If you really want to, build the muscle and you really want to do more, you're gonna have to slow it down. Once you can do like 20 of those slow ones, and then with weight as well, you're gonna be you're gonna be ahead of what you were doing before when you were doing it quick. Because obviously when you do it quick, you don't really use the muscles as much, and you're gonna be able to do a lot more, because you're not gonna be using the muscles as much. So another quick tip is to stay consistent with it. Don't just do this one time and then, because that's what a lot of people do. They won't stay consistent. Consistency is key when you're trying to do more reps. So do push-ups. If you want to really get better at them, do them like 2 or 3 days a week if you really want to get better at them. If that's your focus, do that. And without getting tired, just make sure you breathe. Do more push-ups. Just breathe during. Add resistance. Use time under tension. slow down the negative of the push-up, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Click here for a workout playlist. It's going to be all our good videos on how to work out and all that, get you ripped. And click here for Evan's Crazy Flips, or not Evan's Crazy Flips, but Crazy Flips. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and I'll talk to you later. God bless, have a great day.